Well, I got my phone out of my case today, so hopefully that takes some pretty good videos and some good audio. Hopefully it's not like really quiet and then really loud. So we'll see. I already hit it with one coat of this stuff. I don't know if it's any good. Look at that. Car looks 110% better on that cam. Must be no little ball in here. I bought some self-etching primer, but I'm like, well, this fixes rust. Huh. So I'm just gonna wake up in the morning and that'll all be fixed. I probably should really not waste my time doing this and worry about getting that piece cut out and fixed, but I figured at least for the meantime, it's better than nothing. If I end up probably doing what I'm gonna do is like not do it, at least it's fixed, guys. Or else this is the stuff I bought too. Self-etching primer. So, but I first hit it with my wire wheel, which is on my drill there. Then I cleaned it with that stuff there, which is also by Bkcamaro. And then I did a final wipe down. I think this is also Bkcamaro. So I probably way overpaid for this. So I'm pretty sure acetone is like a lot cheaper at anywhere else. But whatever, it worked. I was in a hurry. One-stop shopping. So I already applied one coat of this stuff. It's supposed to turn black when it contacts rust. Let's see here. Neutralizes rust, stops it from coming back. Our special heat rust treat spray on clear. And converts the surface into a water-resistable, paintable black coating. Heat resistant for up to 200 degrees. Can be used with body filler and fiberglass. Ooh. Do not smoke. Oh, damn. Good thing I don't. Harmful vapors. I probably should be wearing my respirator. It's on my head. So, we're halfway there. Now. Ooh. Damn, I can't read that. Okay. Well, I'm going to put my respirator on. Because just this fumes alone. Woo! We'll start seeing little dancing unicorns here. So, I'm obviously going to talk like crap. I got to put my phone down. There we go. I don't know how well this is going to look out, but obviously the goatee doesn't help. Should be clean shaven. Oh well. I probably should put my phone back in my case. But hell with it. Let's wing it. That's what I like to do. Alrighty then. So now we should let it sit for 24 hours, which is no problem since I got 2 jobs. And I got off early my one job today, so that's why I had time to buy this stuff and actually go do this. So yeah, that's a little quick update. Whee!